Every grain begins a journey, but few ever see how it truly unfolds.
Watch the entire transformation, compressed into seconds.
At dawn, the journey of every grain begins in the quiet breath of the fields. Skilled hands move in to harvest what the season has produced. Each cut frees grains matured through months of care. Bundles grow quickly as the morning surge begins.
Transport arrives to move the field's output forward.
Weighty stalks stack up toward the trailer's brim.
Machines join the harvest, accelerating the rural rhythm.
It separates grain and straw with flawless precision.
Clean grains rush out, ready for the next step. Trailer after trailer receives today's yield.
The moisture content is currently 14.2%.
A quick test ensures moisture stays within safe limits.
Sunlight begins stabilizing the harvest before shipment.
The grains are secured into traditional jute bags.
Neat columns of sacks build as the field empties.
Teamwork shifts the load onto the outgoing trailer.
A firm seal shields the harvest from dust and weather.
The harvest begins its journey from soil to steel.
Ahead lies the mill, where raw paddy becomes refined rice.
From the fields, the grain travels toward transformation.
Each kilometer brings the harvest closer to industry.
The route bridges rural origins with industrial purpose. Every load is logged for safety and traceability. The industrial district pulses with continuous activity.
A complex engineered for precise grain refinement.
Skilled teams await the incoming harvest.
Protective gear and trained hands ensure safe handling.
Back it up, easy, hold it right there. Proper alignment sets the stage for efficient unloading.
The raw material awaits its first step inside the mill.
Unloading begins with steady, controlled effort.
A mobile conveyor accelerates manual unloading. The load transitions from transport into controlled flow.
Organized placement prevents loss and maintains order.
Mechanical lifting manages weight with ease. The harvest enters the heart of controlled processing.
Here begins the mechanical journey of every grain. The paddy enters the system, ready for its first purification.
The facility stands ready to transform raw harvest into polished grain.
Every batch is logged, every entry tracked for total traceability.
A precise weight check confirms the incoming harvest.
A web of conveyors guides the harvest deeper into the facility.
Inside, controlled systems take over where fieldwork ends.
A carefully coordinated floor keeps the intake process flowing.
Air systems maintain visibility, safety, and air quality. Technicians manage every movement of grain through digital precision. These hoppers form the first gateway into the mill's process line.
The raw paddy enters controlled channels from the very first tipping. Enclosed transfer safeguards cleanliness and prevents contamination. Strict hygiene ensures every grain remains uncontaminated.
A controlled path leads to the heart of the milling operation. Inside, machines orchestrate a precise transformation. Massive silos store the harvest, awaiting timed release. The silos release grain steadily into the plant's arteries.
Digital tagging connects each grain to its complete history.
With handover complete, the team aligns for a seamless workflow ahead.
The journey begins with elevation toward the first cleaning stage. Vibratory screens shake away unwanted foreign material. Magnetic systems safeguard machines by capturing hidden metal. Air separation strips away light impurities with precision airflow. A rotating drum ensures only proper-sized grains continue onward.
Density separation removes stones without losing a single grain.
Cyclone action traps airborne dust, keeping the environment clean. Moisture readings guide the coming steps of milling. Flow dividers balance grain distribution across parallel lines. Precision jets eliminate stubborn, heavy contaminants. Buffing enhances surface cleanliness before deeper processing. Operators supervise the interconnected cleaning stages in real time. Layered sieves classify and refine grain uniformity. A gravity table ensures only healthy kernels advance. Air systems recycle energy while maintaining clean airflow.
Hands-on sampling confirms system performance.
Visual inspection verifies the thoroughness of the cleaning line. Now purified, the grain advances toward the milling heart of the plant.
Controlled feeding ensures a stable and uniform milling flow.
The first major transformation begins at the de-husker. Rubber rolls gently separate husk from kernel with calibrated pressure.
Aspirators cleanly divide husk from edible grain.
Light husk material is captured and stored for byproduct use. Precision trays isolate remaining paddy for reprocessing. Recovered paddy loops back, ensuring zero loss. Next, the brown layer is polished to reveal white rice. Polishing begins with controlled abrasion for smooth grain texture. Extracted bran is collected cleanly for animal feed and byproducts.
A secondary polish enhances brightness and uniformity.
A gentle mist coats each grain with characteristic silky sheen. Cooled grains stabilize before size grading begins.
Length grading separates long, medium, and broken kernels.
Broken rice is collected separately for specialized products.
Quality checks confirm grain brightness meets required standards.
Polished grains ascend toward advanced sorting technology. The grain stream prepares for high-precision optical evaluation. Calibration ensures the sorter identifies even the slightest imperfections. Each kernel is scanned at high speed for color and purity.
Advanced optics pinpoint irregular grains instantly. Pinpoint jets remove impurities without disturbing the flow.
Only flawless grains advance to the next refinement stage.
Color uniformity defines high-grade rice quality.
Top-quality kernels form a dedicated premium stream.
Thickness control ensures consistency across every kernel. Rejected grains are collected for secondary product lines.
A finishing polish completes the transformation into market-ready rice.
Blending balances grain characteristics for consistent market standards.
Homogenization stabilizes the grain mix before final processing.
Texture results guide the final refinement steps.
An air finish ensures a spotless final product.
Cooling stabilizes structure and preserves grain quality. Moisture equalization protects the grain from cracking during storage.
The final sift guarantees flawless grain uniformity. Now perfected, the rice enters high-speed automated systems. Automation aligns each grain stream with machine precision.
Programmable logic units coordinate every step across the mill.
robotic diverters route material with flawless timing. Parallel sorters elevate output precision to industrial scale. Compressed air eliminates even microscopic inconsistencies.
Sensitive detectors guarantee metal-free final product. Smart elevators adjust speed based on real-time demand.
Central hubs channel grains efficiently across the facility.
Laser sensors maintain consistent flow before packaging.
Even distribution ensures precise filling later on. Buffer silos stabilize flow for continuous operation. Screw conveyors deliver consistent feed to high-speed packs.
Flow metering ensures perfect feeding accuracy. Multi-head fillers dose each portion with milligram precision.
Automation aligns and secures bags for flawless filling.
Grains flow into bags with perfect weight precision.
Inline weight checks ensure every pack meets exact standards.
Bags prepare for final sealing in the finishing stage.
Heat sealing locks in freshness with airtight precision.
Cooling stabilizes seals for durable transport. Precision trimming delivers a clean, professional finish.
Digital coding secures product identity and traceability. Automated vision ensures packaging perfection.
Faulty packs are instantly diverted for rework.
Settling distributes grains uniformly for better stacking. Shaping produces consistent, shelf-ready packaging profiles. Stable weight distribution prevents transport deformation.
Cartons take form automatically to receive finished packs.
Robotics ensure perfect placement without manual handling. Heat-applied adhesives lock cartons for transport endurance.
Compression finalizes box integrity for heavy stacking.
Barcode checks validate each carton before palletizing. Automation builds stable pallets with geometric precision. Stretch film locks cartons into a secure shipment unit. A finished pallet stands ready for its final inspection.
Quality checks now verify every detail of the final product.
Each carton's identity is confirmed before lab testing.
Selected cartons undergo deeper laboratory analysis.
Inside the lab, Precision instruments tell the full story.
Samples are prepared methodically for analysis. Moisture levels confirm milling efficiency and safe storage.
Manual checks verify broken ratios meet classification standards. Visual scrutiny ensures no impurities remain.
Laser classification confirms grain dimensions with pinpoint accuracy.
Whiteness levels reflect polishing quality and brand standards.
Chemical tests validate product safety and purity.
Microbial checks ensure rice meets hygiene benchmarks.
Density readings reveal structural consistency and moisture balance.
Texture tests validate the grain's cooking performance.
A sensory check ensures the final product meets consumer expectations.
All test results are logged for compliance and tracking.
A final stamp certifies the rice as market ready.
With quality assured, the product moves to packaging and shipment.
With quality confirmed, the product advances to outbound logistics.
The warehouse is the final checkpoint before global distribution. Forklifts move each pallet with practiced efficiency.
Rows of inventory stand organized for rapid access.
Each pallet is slotted to maintain clear traceability. Digital logging ensures every pallet can be tracked instantly.
Dispatch teams coordinate shipments with real-time data. Inbound trailers arrive to collect the Dale's production. Dock systems ensure smooth, safe loading transitions.
Electric jacks make light work of heavy loads.
Pallets position neatly to maximize cargo space.
Balanced arrangement protects cargo during transport.
A secure seal guarantees tamper-proof delivery. Loaded and sealed, the shipment departs for its destination. A disciplined logistics flow keeps supply moving without interruption.
The journey continues beyond the factory walls. From harvest to dispatch, every step reflects precision and care. And this is how modern factories produce rice from start to finish.